Testing Safe App. Testing was done in two phases: web application testing and on-field testing. On-field testing, a scenario same as that of a person in need of emergency services was created. We took example of handling a medical emergency. We predefined user and hospital locations, all possible routes, their distance and time taken to verify each functionality of the app and meet optimal figures for time taken, nearest hospital calculation, real-time route creation, anomaly detection algorithm, and video conferencing. Testing was done on 9 July 2021 in collaboration with Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Technology and Management under the supervision of Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Director ADTITM, and Dr. Anupam Kumar Sharma, Head of Department Computer Science. It was done on 4G connected devices in Delhi. Everything was recorded throughout the test. For the setup of test, we needed two 4G devices and two 3G connected devices with three entities: user, emergency vehicle, and hospital/police station. Test starts with victim creating help request, then request is sent to the nearest three hospitals. To test the worst case, the farthest hospital, that is 8 km away, accepts the request. Emergency vehicle leaves for user's location, picks up the user, comes back to the hospital, test ends. Let's start with the test. Actual footage of emergency vehicle driver and emergency vehicle supporter. Actual footage of user making request for an ambulance. Request has been made and sent to three nearby hospitals. One of the hospitals accepts the request and sends it to the emergency vehicle supporter. User can now see his location on the map. Now, this is the link that emergency vehicle supporter clicks and now is connected to the user. Both user and emergency vehicle supporter can see their locations on the map with real-time video conferencing happening. The route updates each and every second. Patient status shown with distance and time remaining in reaching of the ambulance to the user. All the user details also rendered with emergency contact, name, primary physician contact, and medical history. This is the screen recording on the user side. UI renders perfectly. The whole case is being monitored by hospital, and all the early preparations can be done for start of speedy treatment. In police case, from the real-time video, all the preparations of the assets required to solve the case can be calculated. Here we can see the real-time route updating from time to time depending upon change in the user's location and road conditions. So if in a case user keeps on changing the location, our app will always render the fastest route to the updated location. Hospital will contact the family and the physician of the patient to know the history and inform them. Trail auditing is being done of the whole case at each and every second in the backend. So we know what is happening when. User location was stable in most of the time of the test. Here is the actual footage of the device of emergency vehicle supporter. Supporter sees the updating route and tells the driver accordingly to change the directions. Driver using a 3G connected device with Google Maps to navigate to the user location. User environment can be easily analyzed to detect what the condition is and how is the scenario. Emergency vehicle reached and recorded in the video. Emergency vehicle supporter clicks on patient retrieve and the rerouting is done with the current shortest and fastest path shown back to the hospital. As soon as user is in the emergency vehicle, the status can be updated. Observations. It took 3 seconds from user request creation till acceptance by hospital, then another 6 seconds for ambulance request acceptance, then 2 seconds for user hospital and ambulance connected on dashboard, 5 minutes 18 seconds to user picked up, 9 minutes and 13 seconds to user reached hospital. These are the technical observations of the app analyzed with the recordings of the test. Application testing was done based on these 7 parameters. From the results of application testing, we can see the app performed greatly in the 5 tests. We had access to 4G connection only, so the machine learning model's results were slow under normal loads. Anomaly detection machine learning algorithm needs huge amounts of data to be passed in to accurately detect user condition. We had access to 4G, so latency and bandwidth requirements couldn't be met for data to flow into the algorithm in real time along with the data. So we tested the algorithm separately on a dedicated 4G device. Here are some screenshots from the test of anomaly detection algorithm. Final results. Here we can see the success criteria for the front-end part of the application and if it was pass or fail. Also we can see the success criteria for the back-end part of the application and if it was pass or fail. Safe app passed all the tests within limits of test error. From the comparison table, we can clearly see that the total time taken from user request creation to being connected to emergency vehicle supporter and provider is 11 minutes and 30 seconds as the current average emergency time, whereas Safe App reduces it to as low as 11 seconds. From the test, we can conclude that we were able to reduce the current Indian emergency average response time from 11 minutes 30 seconds to as low as 11 seconds. Removal of the problem of suboptimal response time of calls and calls not being answered due to overload of responders in control room, reducing it to as low as 3 seconds. Also, providing accurate real-time data with less than a % lag is possible. We also provided pure medical history info and real-time status of user. Also provided high-quality video conferencing with anomaly detection to efficiently understand case scenario and early preparation of assets required.